In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your screen using Sharex, a versatile open-source tool perfect for capturing everything happening on your desktop. Whether you need to record a tutorial, a presentation, or just want to save a video call, Sharex has you covered. To get started, ensure Sharex is installed on your computer and running smoothly. You should see its icon in the system tray, which means it's active and ready to use. The first thing you'll want to do is open up Sharex and look for the Capture menu. From there, select the Screen Recording option. This can also be quickly accessed using the default hotkey, which for many users is Shift plus the Print Screen button. The program is designed to be flexible, so if you've changed your hotkeys, make sure you use the one you configured for screen recording. Once you select this option, Sharex will prompt you to choose the area of the screen you'd like to record. You have a few options here based on what you need. If you want to record just a specific part of your screen, click and drag over that area to select it. For those who are working within a particular application or window, you can simply hover over the desired window and click. This feature targets and records only that window, which is incredibly handy when trying to maintain focus. Alternatively, if you want to capture everything on your screen, go ahead and drag to cover the entire screen area. Once you've made your selection, you'll notice that Sharex starts capturing right away. While recording, keep an eye on the system tray or taskbar. You should see a red dot appear there. This is Sharex's way of letting you know that the recording is active. It's a subtle yet effective reminder that your screen actions are being recorded. When you're ready to stop recording, you have a couple of straightforward options. You can click on the red dot again in the taskbar or tray, or you might find it easier to use a stop command or hotkey if you've set one up. Once the recording stops, Sharex automatically saves your file. By default, Sharex saves recordings in an easy-to-access folder, typically under something like Documents, then Sharex, followed by Screenshots. The videos are often saved in MP4 format, which is widely compatible and perfect for uploading or sharing with others. So there you have it. With Sharex, you're equipped with a simple and effective way to capture your screen with just a few clicks. This tool combines ease of use with great customization options, making it a fantastic choice for both beginners and advanced users alike. Enjoy creating and sharing your screen recordings with Sharex.